how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it yourself. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do that. So first of all, open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser, then wait for it to load and go to the search and type United States, because that's the market we are going to work on. So here, let's wait for it to load and let's zoom in on the country. So here, let's wait for it and let's zoom in on a state or whatever city you'd like to zoom in on. Here, let's zoom in on Nevada, or let's go to San Francisco, for example. Here, let's go to San Francisco and let's zoom in on it, and let's go again to the search, and here let's remove the United States and let's type whatever kind of small business you'd like to work on. So for example, here let's go with plumber. So here let's go with a plumber and let's see all of the available plumbers in the area, and here you can see all of their profiles. So here you can see a lot of plumbers profiles. That means a lot of prospects for us and a lot of clients. So here, in order to find the best prospects, always make sure to check the number of the reviews and their profile if there is a sponsored written in this place. If not, then check the reviews. If they have more than 150 reviews, then just move on to the next profile, and if they have less than 150 reviews, that's the best one that we can reach out to. So here we have Almighty Plumbing. They have 221 reviews, which means more than 150, so let's skip this one. Same thing with this, 300 reviews, and this one has 88 reviews, which means this is the best one that we can reach out to. So here, let's wait for the profile to load, and here guys, we are going to offer 3 different types of services. The first one is website creating or website renovation if they already have a website, and the second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile, and the third one is social media accounts managing. So here let's check for the first service, which is website creation. So here let's check their website to see if their website will need any renovation. So here let's wait for it to load, and it's taking a little bit of time, but that's okay. I think the problem is in the website because it looks a little bit old, as you can see, just from the font and the design of the website. It looks a bit old. So as I said guys, the website looks a bit old. It needs a little bit of renovation, as you can see just from their logo and the design of the website. Look, it's just taking this space and it leaves all of this free space, and as you can see also it looks a bit unorganized. As you can see, read our reviews in here. So they could use some renovation to their website, so you can offer that as the first service. Then we move on to the second service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here, just from the review summary, you will see that they don't have any bad reviews. They only have 5-star reviews. So that means they are offering the greatest service out there. So here, let's scroll down to see maybe we can find something in here or not. but there is no harm in checking. So here let's scroll down to see what we can find. We have only the 5-star reviews. Let's scroll down again here. So it's only the 5-star reviews. So the website renovation is the only service we can offer them, and as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill in building websites or any skill in renovating the websites. All you will have to do is go into fiverr.com. In here type fiverr.com, and then you'll go to the search and search for freelancers that can build websites, and search for the one with the best price for you. For example, you can hire this one, which will build a WordPress website for only $80. And here for the business owner, you can ask for $200 or $150 for the service. Then you will take the money and you will pay the freelancer $80, and you will be left with approximately $50 or more than that, depending on how much money you've asked the business owner to pay you. So that's how you can receive a lot of money without even learning the skill, and also without delivering the skill as well. So as I said, with the one that we saw now, we can only offer them one service, which is the website renovation. And here we can go to the other ones. This one with 68 reviews. So let's check their website, their profile. Let's wait for it to load. And here let's scroll down. They also have a website. Let's check their website again. And here, as you can see, their website is old too, so we can offer to renovate their website as well. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see all of their reviews. So here from the review summary, you will see that they have a little bit of bad reviews, so we can look for this bad review in order to offer them the second service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here let's wait for it to load. Then let's scroll down to see these bad reviews that we can offer them to remove, and we can also get paid from $100 to up to $200 for only removing the bad reviews. So that's the method, guys. I think you understand now how you can make money with this method. The only thing I will advise you to do is to be patient and to be committed to the method. Make sure to reach out to 20 to 30 business owners, call them and send them messages or emails, and also be okay with rejection. You will get rejected a lot of times, but you just need to keep going until you land your first client, because that's the hardest. Then it will be easier to land more clients. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.